February 5, 2021, Burundi commemorated the 30th anniversary of the Charter of National Unity. This year again, as in previous years, the ritual was observed, but Burundians were looking forward to the special message of the day from His Excellency the President of the Republic. In his statement, President Evariste Ndayishimiye reminded us that the unity of the country is ensured by governance, that the country is our common good, that the authorities must serve as good father, Abavyeyi, that justice must be impartial, that our social relations must be characterized by love, solidarity, the search for what unites us, and the rejection of what divides us. Nothing we hadn't heard before. Indeed, the man stands for a system that, in view of Mouvement INAMAHORO, has learned nothing from its own past and the history of our nation. Indeed, he claims to be the heir and assumes the responsibility of the rejection of solutions previously proposed, such as those contained in the Arusha Peace and Reconciliation Agreement, the use and tolerance of division language, calling some the enemies of the nation, defending controversial facts such as the investigations and the report of Commission Vérité et Réconciliation, the establishment of memorial sites, ethnic identification in all areas of national life. So many manipulations and attempts to rewrite, reread, and rebuild the history that in fact should be common, using it today to take us away from the unity we are celebrating every February 5th. It will therefore take much more than this speech to engage and stand with all those, and there are many who believe and would like to leave unity, to dissuade those who received dividends from divisions and those for whom it is a means to establish strength and impose a power seeking to manipulate the people in order to gain legitimacy. The Movement INAMAHORO congratulates and encourages all Burundians who, in their diversity, stand up to defend a common cause and accept often to pay a heavy price. To those who are instrumentalized to sow hatred, do not give in to solicitations, resist the calls for division. To those who do not perceive this community discomfort and whose comfort is not disturbed, remember that you will not experience real peace until your neighborhood is at peace. As the saying goes, when a neighbor's house catches fire, yours is in danger. The Movement INAMAHORO takes this opportunity to remind the current leaders that life is a spinning wheel, as those before you acknowledged, enshrined laws, and immortalized by various symbols. The Burundian nation is founded on ethnic components, and your mandate is to preserve them by creating all the necessary conditions for the development of all citizens without discrimination. The political authorities should therefore prevent, discourage, and crack down all of those who strive to keep alive the ethnic division, as it can only drive us into the vicious circle of conflict, sometimes postponed, but always inevitable and never won. National unity can also be restored, maintained, and strengthened only within the framework of real political and economical governance that create and redistribute wealth with equal chances and opportunities for all. Otherwise, it will always be easy to point out to those who are hungry and languishing in misery as the scapegoats responsible for all the ills our nation is going through. He who starves has no ear, and the neighbor's hen looks like a goose, they say. The Movement INAMAHORO will finally like to recall the national unity will not be until the power in place has created the conditions for peace, so that all the daughters and sons of the nation, in all their diversity, participated in its recovery and maintenance. The Movement INAMAHORO is firmly convinced that our unity is not an option, but our faith, our common destiny. We only can and we must make the right choice, that all of living together hand in hand.